Hello, my name is Brian Lewis, and I'll be the English 1B online instructor for this course. Composition, Reading, and Critical Thinking. I've titled this course Deconstructing California, and we'll be using the theme of California and the California Dream as a way of starting our thinking and beginning the writing process. California has been a mystical place from the very beginning of when it was first discovered. The first mention of California was in Garcia de Montalvo's Adventures of Esplandian. It was a Spanish colonial adventure fantasy book in the 1500s, and you can read about that in our text. In that text, California was conceived of as an island, but it was also a very mythical and magical place. We're really going to be looking at literature and how different artists and writers have thought of California, the California Dream, and the California reality throughout time. So that's the topic of the course. It's California and the California Dream, and that's really what we're going to be using as a way of writing. But the course is really about improving yourself as a writer. And all teachers choose topics because they hope that you'll be able to become engaged and think more deeply about what it is we're writing about. In this case, I hope that some of you who are Californians or people who are becoming Californians will think more deeply about who they are in this place in the world. But the class, again, is about writing and about reading and about critical thinking. And so we'll be using that topic as a way of writing around California. And here are the texts we'll be using. California Dreams and Realities is your main text. I also have a course reader that's at the Associated Students Foothill College, and you can call there and order this, or if I'm able to, I'll get it so you can download it online. American Sun is a novel you'll be reading. Culture Clash, you'll be reading one play out of here. And here's another required text, writing about literature. I'm hoping that you'll rent Crash at some point later in the multiculturalism unit. And then finally, a couple texts that are recommended are the Easy Access, which is a handbook, and the resource guide to help you with some writing and specific issues, and then a miniature guide to critical thinking, our recommended text for the course. You'll write a total of 6 essays, 3 in-class essays and 3 out-of-class essays, and so each of those will increase in the amount that it's worth as the class goes on. Well, I hope that helps at least get a little bit of bearing about the course. And so if you would, please click in and in the next week or so finish modules 1, 2, and 3, which give you a general outlook of the class and how it's organized. And then also please finish module 4 long before, if you would, the first in-class essay, where I will give you a little bit of orientation about the class, and then you'll just write your first in-class essay. Don't forget to bring your California ID. Okay, well, click on in, and I hope you enjoy the class.